In this video, I will show you how to use voice chat in Roblox on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. We will go over both the official method and an easy workaround. Let's begin. Part 1. Native voice chat on PS5. Step 1. Verify your Roblox account. 1. Open your Roblox account settings. 2. Make sure your email is verified. 3. Your age must be set to 13 or older to use voice chat. Step 2. Enable voice chat in Roblox. 1. Launch Roblox on your PlayStation 5. 2. Go to Settings, then choose the Privacy tab. 3. If you see the option to enable voice chat, turn it on. 4. If the option is not there, it may be blocked in your region or by account settings. Step 3. Set up your microphone. 1. Make sure your headset or microphone is connected to your console. 2. Go to the PlayStation 5 sound settings. 3. Check that your microphone volume is in a good range. Step 4. Restart and test. 1. Restart your console. 2. Join a Roblox game that supports voice chat. 3. Press the L3 button to talk. 4. That is the left stick when you press it down. Part 2. Workaround using party chat. If voice chat does not work directly in Roblox, try this. Step 1. Use PlayStation Party Chat. 1. On your home screen, open the game base menu. 2. Start a new party and invite your friends. 3. You can now talk with them while playing Roblox. Step 2. Use Discord for voice chat. 1. You can also use Discord on your phone or computer. 2. Join a voice channel with your friends. 3. Play Roblox on your console while using Discord for chat. That's it. Now you know how to use voice chat in Roblox on PlayStation